Welcome. This is a quick unboxing of the SoundPEATS Q12 Plus wireless earphones. These earphones can be purchased off of Amazon.com. Price is around $30. They feature Bluetooth 5.0. They have 9 hours of playtime. They have an IPX6 waterproof rating, which equates to being sprayed with water without any damage. Let's check these out. Very similar boxing to the truly wireless SoundPEATS we just checked out the other day. Let's see what differences we find on these guys. Alright, so a different case. Again, another extensive book. Little accessories box, nice little touch. Okay, we got some various clips. Purpose for a clip like this would be if you're going on a run or if you want to keep the wire on these intact, attach the clip to the wire and clip it onto your shirt or something so that you have a more secure experience with the earphones. Nice little wingtips here and some additional ear tips as well. All right, now for the earphones, we have this carbon fiber looking case. Got the SoundPEATS S on there. All right, inside we have the earphones themselves. We have another additional little baggie. This has our micro USB cable. So you will have to open this little flap to be able to access your micro USB port. Let's see if our USB-C to micro USB connector will be able to fit this. And yes, it will be able to fit that and charge these up. So there you go, it does work. I'll leave a link for this guy in the description if you're looking to charge with USB Type-C. All right, so these do feature magnets on them. So if you have these hanging around your neck after a run or something, you can go ahead and clip them to each other so that there's no chance of them getting away from you. So on Amazon, for a similar price, you can get the SoundPEATS True-Free True Wireless earbuds, or you can get these wired earphones, which are also SoundPEATS. The difference you're getting here is that these have waterproofing, these do not have waterproofing, and these have a 9-hour battery life, and these have about a 3.5-hour battery life. You think you're going to be getting wet? If you need a very long playback time, then this would be your option despite having the wire. If you need the additional convenience, then you will definitely want to get the truly wireless earbuds. All right, so we're gonna try these on, see how they fit with the additional wingtip part that goes along with these, check the comfort level on them, and go ahead and do test here on a track. And I'll also listen to the same track on the True-Free True Wireless earbuds. We'll be right back. Okay, so first impressions of the Q12 Plus wireless earphones is I am really impressed with these. Once again, just like these True-Frees, for $30, you're really getting a lot of value here. So sound quality on these is similar to that of the True-Free True Wireless earbuds. Very high volume and very strong bass response. Very impressed with that. The comfort level on these is incredible. It feels like there's nothing even inside of your ears. And if you're looking for something a little more durable, a little more waterproof, go for a run in the rain or something, these guys will definitely take care of that. And I mean, 9 hours of playback time, that's something you're just not going to get on these truly wireless earbuds. Next video, we are going to do an unboxing of another pair of truly wireless earbuds. Stay tuned for that, but until then, like, comment, sub, take care.